everybody. It is Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where I spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. And today is the day that I get to share my third collection with Art Gallery Fabrics with you. I got my strike-offs in here, and it is called Catch and Release. And this collection is different. I really enjoyed it because it was different, and then it had a really personal connection to me. I'm finding that I find the strongest inspiration through something that's personal, and I've told many of you out there that my husband and I have been separated for a while now. We're working on it. I know y'all have the question. It's the best it's ever been, and we've been together since 2001, like for a long time. It's the best it's ever been, and we've built it, and it's been a lot of hard work. But in that, with this collection, I picked a topic that is near and dear to him. He is an avid fisherman. He goes salmon fishing all of the time, and so I used that as a springboard to develop this collection, and then also get to know him a little bit better by asking him questions and understanding that world a little bit. And we go fishing as a family all of the time. We have this one fishing spot. It's over by Bonneville Dam, which is gorgeous. We go to multiple places, and it's become like a respite, a reprieve for all of us. Like, my version of fishing is either bring like crochet or like hand sewing, and I just sit there, and then Helen's version is like playing games and eating snacks and then running up whenever a fish comes. And then my husband catches fish like left and right all of the time, and we don't really eat it. But that is what this collection is all about. It's about creating the atmosphere of that fishing spot that we have, where it's not about technology, it's not about like our phones, it's not about what's on Netflix, it's about connecting and the human experience and slowing down and really being present and really being there. So this is through personal inspiration, but it's vague enough to where all of y'all will hopefully find a connection to it and can come along my journey of catch and release. But now let's look at the fabric. I'm dying. I need to look at it. Okay. So, like, I don't know when these boxes of, like, strike-offs are coming. They just come. And then, like, ta-da. Oh, already. I can tell I'm going to, okay, so if you follow me or you see any of the projects that I make, I mean, I use a lot of different fabrics, but I am obsessed with blues. Like, if I could only like pick one color to work in, it's blues and teals. They go with everything, and it's just like my jam. It's my comfort spot. So since this was like a place of comfort and like being like relaxed and chill, I wanted it to be comfortable. But don't let the blue hues think that that's all it's about. But you can grab some like pure solids or any of the new blenders. These colors go with everything, and I will show you some. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna put the Quilters Cotton away for now, and we'll get to that in a second. Let's start with the Apparel Fabrics. I have three knits and one rayon. It's a little different this time. And then I have 12 different designs and or prints for cotton, Quilters Cotton. So 4 apparel, 12 Quilters Cotton. So excited. Okay. So this is a knit, and it's a white background, and then it's these like cutie patootie ladybugs, like, and they're like walking around, and it's super adorable. Like, imagine this, like a shirt, like a dress, like, oh, like there's so many things that you can make with this print, and it goes with the other two. And the red in there's a red pure element solid, or pure solid knit that goes right with it. I love this. Oh, it makes me so happy. There are ladybugs. I love ladybugs. They're awesome, but like where we sit, like there's ladybugs like crawling all around. And then this was just like a cute, playful like print. I'm gonna wrap it around me because I love it. And then, okay, so these are a specific flower that I saw that we made a blender out of them. Let me do it up close so you can see it. Oh. So it's got that pop of red in it also. So like imagine this. Okay, so imagine this, right? Or yeah, okay, this can be like the top. And then like look at this. Like oh, that would be so cute. I'm gonna make Helena something. I'm excited. Can y'all tell that I'm excited? Like it's like all the holidays put up in one whenever they show up. And then this one is super awesome. Like, look at this. They're outlines of fish, like chalk outlines of fish, set in like a navy. Such a versatile print. It can go with anything. And once again, it will go with the other two. Like, let me just show you. I'll show you all three of them. Don't worry. These are the 3 nets. Super playful, super different, and then super me. See? Wait, where's this other one? Where is it? How do I do this? Ah, I can't do it like that. 1, and then 2, and then 3. So those are the 3 nets. And then the rayon. These are actually the flowers that I see all around. I drew them, and the repeat on this one. Are y'all ready to see some awesome? Okay. Like, look. Like this is bananas. Like the flow. Like I have, ooh. I was all like thinking dresses. And then I put it on me. Like, look at that. Like, this is cool. I keep saying I'm going to make a kimono or like some kind of like house like robe. I don't know, but this, like, it's just so cool. It's so cozy. If you have not touched their rayon, it's insane. You can use this as a quilt back if you want to. Like a rayon quilt back. Ooh, that would be like ooh la la. Okay, so now let's get into the Quilters Cotton. 12 different prints, right? And let me see. Oh, I took them out of order, but they're both the same. It's just part of the process is like they print it once. Like they're strikeouts. They print it once, a little bit of it. Check the colors, look around, and then if any of them are off, they fix it, and then they print it again. And so this is one batch and then a second batch, and I don't know which one is which. I think this one's the second one. So, and y'all, the free quilt pattern that I made with this one, it's a simple Bargello, but it is exquisite. It's stunning. I can't wait to make it. So which side should we start on? This one? This one? Let's start on this one. So, this is a Mountainscape. Do you see it? Right here. And that is actually Mount Hood, which is the mountain that we see, but it's generic enough to where it could apply to any of your mountains. But this is, if you've seen any of my pictures whenever I'm out there like fishing, then you'll also see this Mountainscape. Like I get to see that. Like what an amazing experience that now I get to share with y'all in fabric form. And then this is going to be amazing, and I'm so excited about it. And then, oh, this one right here. This one is super fun. There were a couple different versions of that. I started with trying with a realistic version of fish, and then that didn't quite work, like in fabric form. And then we went more playful. And look at this. And all of the background of the fish are quilt blocks or patterns for the most part. So I took a lot of inspiration from that. And then these are fun, like fussy cutting them, like a shirt for me. Like this will be so cool. A dress for Helena. This one can be cut up in quilts and then bags. And then like this one right here. Ooh, bags, borders, like all of the stuff. Like so exciting. Okay. And then I joked about it, like how when I go fishing, I either bring crochet or I bring like sewing. And at the time whenever I was doing this, I was doing a lot of crochet out there. And so this one is, it's like a pattern of a granny square. Can y'all see it? See? This was so fun. See it? Like, you can't see it unless you, like, know the pattern or look for it, but that's what this one is. And look at this color. Wow. Wow. Okay, and then this one is this one again. The colors are a little different compared to the rayon, but this is the Quilters Cotton version. Oh, it's upside down. Ooh, this one, it's like you can take a little section as a panel, as a center, you can cut it, like all of the fussy cutting opportunities here. And then this one, it's like a little, it's a fun geometric blender that you can't tell at first glance that it's fish. But it's actually fish swimming is what the inspiration is. See, get it closer so y'all can see. See how they're fish, but they're geometric? Kind of neat. Ooh, this one again. Oh, this one is shirt. I'm going to be making some shirts. I'm going to be making a lot of stuff with this one. This one, like handles. This is a great blender. Goes with everything. And then this is that print that was in a knit also. With the... I hope y'all are having fun. I love sharing this with y'all. And it's that print, but it's a Quilters Cotton. Here, and the scale is a little different if I remember right. This one is a larger scale, and then it is a smaller scale. And then this is the same one that's a knit. Oh, I love these colors. You don't understand. See? See? My flowers. And then this one. I am so excited about this one. This one is... It kind of looks like two things, right? So this way, it's fish scales, right? Look at that. This is such a cool print. I am so excited about this one. Oh, like you could do the borders. Once again, the fussy cutting, like there's so much you can do with it. But then, like if you wanted to, like turn it the other way, and then it is... What's that thing called? What's the shape called? Oh, clamshells. It could be clamshells. But really, it goes this way. I mean, really, you can do whatever you want to. And then this way, it's like, whatever. I'm super giddy about this one. And then this one, this is a simple kayak print. Oh, this one came out amazing. Amazing. Let me open it up. So this right here. Can y'all see the kayaks? Ooh. Oh, yeah, another shirt. Like I'm thinking shirt. I'm also like I have apparel on the brain because I kind of miss making clothes. So I'm gonna start making more clothes. But then like this one, it's like if you have a small fussy cut, you can fussy cut that. Do them like in a like hexies, or this is an awesome blender. Or once again, it's like you can cut them as a strap. Like with the vertical repeat or a border. And then to go with this, these are oars. You know, because you need oars to kayak and stuff. And then... Like this is such a solid stripe. Like I am excited about this. Funny like sidebar story, like when I used to model, one of the first gigs that I got in Los Angeles was with Kashi. And it's because I said I knew how to kayak. I think I had done it like once or twice. And I said I could. And then I got it. And it was me like in a kayak, like kayaking. It was fun. Memories. But one more time. I can't wait to play with this. You don't understand. Then the second to last one. This one is the Ladybugs again in a Quilters Cotton. Wow. Can you see it? Can you see it? The ladybugs, the ladybugs, the ladybugs. And then this one. This one, because where we fish, it's called plunking, is what my husband does. He doesn't go on a boat, but it's like on the side and it's called plunking. So we're always on a river. There's like the Columbia and the Kalama, and the Willamette. Those are the main ones that he fishes on. So I came up with a print that's river rules. See, and it has all of the rules on it. See? See? And it says, like, laugh often, the river rules. What are all the things? Drink coffee, create memories, catch and release, enjoy nature, stay present, quiet the noise, relax, smell the wildflowers. Basically just a reminder of disconnecting and the joys that you can find whenever you disconnect. And it doesn't have to be like going to like an amusement park, like big wows. It can be like small wows. Just looking and watching the leaves flow, or listening to the birds, or seeing a ladybug. Like, I think we need to all do this a little bit more. So I'm super grateful that I chose this as my theme, and I got to reconnect with my husband and learn more about him. And then this one, it not only like the graphics and the designs, but the colors and the feel of it, it really makes me want to like chill and slow down, especially this one. It's just a reminder of what's really important. Like, I'm grateful for all of y'all, but this is really important, the present and family, and I never want to lose that connection that I have with my husband again. So this is for him. It's dedicated to him, and I'm so grateful to have him in my life. I'm grateful to have all of you in my life, and I hope that you enjoy playing with Catch and Release as much as I am about to, and can see the love that I put in it. And I'll show you all the different colors that will go with it, but really any of the colors behind me would go. And that's it. Thank you for coming with me on my journey. Catch and Release will be out in June, shipping to stores. If you have an LQS, tell them to order it so that you can have it, right? That's how it works. They won't know unless you tell them. And ta-da! So keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.